Creating bonds, the art of connection in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, creating a bond. This phrase is not just about forming a connection, but it's about building a meaningful and lasting relationship. So, let's dive in and unravel the nuances of this phrase. Creating a bond means to develop a strong connection or relationship with someone. This bond can be emotional, professional, or even spiritual. It's about establishing a sense of trust, understanding, and mutual respect. In this section, we'll look at different contexts where this phrase is used, such as in friendships, family relationships, and even in the workplace. To better understand how to use creating a bond, let's look at some practical examples. You'll hear this phrase in everyday conversations, in movies, or read it in books. For instance, when someone says, "I am creating a bond with my new colleagues," it means they are building a good working relationship with them. Every language and culture has its unique way of expressing relationships. In English, creating a bond often implies a voluntary and proactive effort in relationship building. This section will explore how this phrase reflects cultural values in English-speaking countries, emphasizing the importance of personal connections and trust. As language learners, understanding phrases like creating a bond is crucial for effective communication. This section will discuss how grasping such phrases can enhance your English speaking skills, making your conversations more natural and relatable. Here, we will share some tips and tricks to remember this phrase and use it correctly. We'll also discuss similar phrases and idioms that can enrich your vocabulary. Thank you for joining us in exploring creating a bond. We hope this video has been enlightening and helps you in your journey of mastering the English language. Remember, language learning is not just about words. It's about the connections and understandings they help us build. Until next time, keep practicing and creating those bonds.